As a relaxing nervine, linden soothes and calms the nervous system. It can be specific for anxiety that's accompanied by tension, like tense shoulders, muscle cramping, tension headaches, painful menstrual cramps, and more. I also think of linden for people who have difficulty sleeping due to excessive tension. Do you have a restless child who isn't interested in bedtime? Take herbalist David Hoffman's advice for a bedtime bath ritual that includes linden and red clover, Trifolium pratense. Linden has long been used to nourish and support the heart, especially for people with hypertension. As a relaxing nervine, linden can release tense musculature and relieve acute stress. So we might all know how it feels to walk around with our shoulders tense to our ears, feeling jumpy and on edge. That alone can raise blood pressure. Linden is ideally suited to relieving this tense condition. Linden tree medicine is regularly paired with hawthorn, leaves, flowers, and berries. This is a combination that is nourishing and supportive to the general heart health, but also specifically indicated for hypertension and inflammation of the cardiovascular system. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.